This meeting is being transcribed and summarized.
Kent County Levy Court Business Meeting is called to order Tuesday, May 12, 2026. It's 7 p.m., 555 Bay Road, Dover, Delaware, Levy Court Chambers, room 203. With that, I'll turn it over to County Administrator Kevin Sipple.
Thank you, Madam President. This meeting is being held in person at 555 Bay Road, Dover, Delaware, in the Levy Court Chambers. We're also making it available via the internet through WebEx. Participants can join us by phone or by computer during the meeting. There will be opportunities for public comment for those attending in person or online. When the President opens a public comment period, those attending in person may step forward to one of the two podiums and be recognized. If you're joining us by phone and wish to comment, please press star 3, which will raise your electronic hand. Our operator will identify you and bring you into the meeting. Pressing star 6 will mute and unmute your line. If you are online, you will see a hand and microphone icon at the bottom of your screen. Please use those at appropriate times. We ask guests to begin public comments by stating your name and address for the record. The county attorney will administer an oath of affirmation for anyone giving testimony during public hearing. We ask that public comments relate to the subjects announced by the President. In addition to public comments, in addition to public hearings, there are 2 public comment periods, one at the beginning of the meeting for agenda items and one near the end of the meeting for general comments. This meeting is being recorded and will follow the rules of procedures adopted by Levy Court as well as the Mason Rules of Order. Back to you, Madam President.
Thank you. I would ask invocation by Commissioner Angel, Pledge of Allegiance be led by Commissioner Hall, moment of silence for our troops and first responders, Commissioner Sweeney. All rise.
Heavenly Father, please guide us tonight. You bring us the wisdoms for the people's business. Give us the strength to do what's right for the people. Present it based on the facts. And safe travels for all who appear tonight and go home. Amen.
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
What do you want? Water, please.
Please remain standing for a moment of silence for our military, law enforcement, firefighters, paramedics, and other first responders who have given their lives in the line of duty. Please remember these individual first responders who died in the line of duty, as well as keeping their families in your thoughts and prayers as they deal with the loss of their loved ones. Deputy Sheriff Richard Coyle from the Crittenden County Sheriff's Office in Kentucky. Border Patrol Agent Sean McDonough from the United States Homeland Security. Police Officer Don Keller from Greenwood Police Department, South Carolina. Game Warden Pilot Joshua Tibbetts from the Maine Department of Inland Fisheries and Wildlife. Fire Chief Russell Schultz from the Walker Fire Department in Missouri. And Fire Engineer Neil Schabel from the Lake Valley Fire Protection District in California. Thank you.
Ms. Tanaka, roll call.
Mr. Angel,
Present.
Mr. Hall,
Present.
Mr. Hertz,
Here.
Mr. Pepper,
Here.
Mr. Scott,
Here.
Mr. Sweeney,
Here.
Mrs. Maston.
Here.
Madam President, roll call reveals 7 present.
Let the record show 7 present. Need a motion to accept the agenda.
So moved, Madam President. Second.
Motion by Vice President Scott, second by Commissioner Angel. Any questions? Roll call.
Mr. Angel,
Yes.
Mr. Hall,
Yes.
Mr. Hertz,
Yes.
Mr. Pepper,
Yes.
Mr. Scott,
Yes.
Mr. Sweeney,
Yes.
Mrs. Maston.
Yes.
Madam President, roll call reveals 7 yeas.
Let the record show 7 yeas for the adoption of the agenda. At this point, we open up the meeting for public comments on any agenda items not covered by a public hearing. Is there anyone here who would like to speak about any of the agenda items?
For our guests joining us online, if you would like to make public comments at this time, please indicate by raising your electronic hand or pressing *3 if you're joining us by phone. I see no hands raised online, Madam President.
Okay, thank you. Motion to accept consent agenda.
Madam President.
There's somebody at the highest.
Oh, sir, I'm sorry. I didn't see you. I apologize.
Thank you for allowing me to speak. My name is Joe Zingaro. I'm the chairperson of the 34th RD. I understand that there has been discussion here about rental fees for rooms in the Levy Court building. I'd like to offer my thoughts. One, my taxes help build and maintain the building and continue to do so. Other buildings built on the shoulders of the public's tax, like the Kent County Library, do not charge any fees for the use of their rooms. Neither does the State Police Barracks 3. The Harrington Library lets the 30th RD use a room with no charge. Letting the 34th RD, which happens to be a Democratic group, does not reflect bias or favoritism on the part of Levy Court. Republican groups can also use the building if they so choose. A group of Democrats does not prevent other groups from using the facility. Past rentals for use of rooms in the Levy Court building have, over the past 20 years, typically generated $1,000 to $4,000 for an average of $2,500 a year. Room rentals are not a moneymaker for Levy Court. I have seen groups as small as 5 individuals use room 221. Having a room rental fee might be more than such groups can afford. Levy Court can choose to require groups that want to use one of the rooms to place a certain amount of money as a retainer should there be damage to the room, or should the janitorial services need to do more cleaning than it usually does for the room. I understand that the attorney for Levy Court suggested charging everyone who uses a room or charge no one. I am asking Levy Court to not charge any groups to use available rooms in the Levy Court building. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Motion to accept consent agenda 2608.
So moved, Madam President.
Second.
Motion by Vice President Scott, second by Commissioner Hall. Any questions? Roll call.
Mr. Angel,
Yes.
Mr. Hall,
Yes.
Mr. Hertz. Mr. Hertz.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I was.
Yes.
Mr. Pepper,
Yes.
Mr. Scott,
Yes.
Mr. Sweeney,
Yes.
Mrs. Maston.
Yes.
Madam President, roll call reveals 7 yeas.
Let the record show 7 yeas for consent agenda 2608. We have no public hearings this evening. Apparently no old business. Moving on to new business. Commissioner Pepper?
Yes. I have one item, introduction of ordinance LC 26-09, an ordinance authorizing the issuance of Kent County, Delaware Economic Development Revenue Bonds in an amount not to exceed $5 million for the benefit of Providence Creek Academy Charter School Incorporated to refinance prior debt. This is for public hearing on Tuesday, May 26, 2026 at 7 p.m.
Thank you. Moving to Vice President Scott.
Thank you, Madam President. This is going to be in reference to the opioid abatement and redemption strategies grant review. Joel?
Good evening, Commissioners. As we discussed last week in the workshop and after a presentation from the Opioid Commission here in the state of Delaware, we have brought forth a couple of recommendations for the Kent County balance of $518,507.90 for available funding through the various means that are provided for the municipality. The funding allocation table is included in your packet. There are organizations that are identified based on recommendations from the staff and in conjunction with the commission. The commission is going to then act on your decisions if those are approved to move forward in terms of having the organizations that would like that money to be applied to their opioid efforts here in Kent County. There would be an additional screening for all of those organizations. With that, and pending any questions, Vice President Scott, sir, you have the motion at the bottom of the packet.
Joel, just to clarify a couple things, this was part of the opioid settlement that has been going on for a number of years now. And there is a third party that we are utilizing to filter out and make sure that the individuals that are possibly going to be receiving the funding meets the criteria to do so. Am I correct by saying that?
That is correct. Yeah, that is one of the various options for all the municipalities and the counties that were authorized to distribute funds on behalf of the Opioid Commission based on that settlement. And the election and the recommendation that we're bringing forward is for the managed grant, this third-party vendor from the Opioid Commission.
Thank you, Joel.
Commissioner Sweeney?
Thank you. Joel, do you mind reading into the record the 6 organizations that and how much they were granted?
Yeah, the recommendation that we're bringing forward to you all today are the following organizations. And again, this is pending additional review. This is just based on your approval then to go forward to the commission. It would be the Delaware State Police in the amount of $50,000. Chorus Wellness and Behavioral Health in the amount of $137,000. The City of Dover, Dover Police Department in the amount of $150,000. The Delaware Center for Justice for $84,000. Out Loud Delaware Incorporated for the amount of $30,000. And Phoenix Family Resources in the amount of $67,600 for a grand total of about $518,600.
Thank you, sir.
Any other questions for Joel? No questions? Back to you, Vice President Scott.
Thank you, Madam President. I move to approve the allocation of $518,507.90 in local government opioid settlement, better known as ORS, funding as presented by the staff, outlined in Exhibit A, and to authorize the county administrator to execute all necessary documentation associated with the POS management grant process on behalf of Kent County.
Second motion.
Motion by Vice President Scott, seconded by Commissioner Angel. Any questions? Roll call.
Mr. Angel?
Yes.
Mr. Hall? I'm sorry.
Yes.
Mr. Hertz?
Yes.
Mr. Pepper?
Yes.
Mr. Scott?
Yes.
Mr. Sweeney?
Yes.
Mrs. Maston?
Yes.
Madam President, roll call reveals 7 yeas.
Let the record show 7 yeas for the opioid abatement and remediation strategies. On to you, Commissioner Sweeney.
Thank you, ma'am. Move to approve Mr. Mark Mountain, 4051B Rhode Island Drive in Dover, to the as the 5th District appointee to the Community Development Advisory Committee.
Do we have a second?
Second.
Motion by Commissioner Sweeney, second by Commissioner Angel. Questions? Roll call.
Mr. Angel?
Yes.
Mr. Hall?
Yes.
Mr. Hertz?
No.
Mr. Pepper?
Yes.
Mr. Scott?
Yes.
Mr. Sweeney?
Yes.
Mrs. Maston?
Yes.
Madam President, roll call reveals 6 yeas, 1 nay.
Commissioner Sweeney.
Thank you, ma'am. Move to approve Mr. Stephen Hill, of 314 Theater Lane in Newells Creek as the 5th District appointee to the Community Board of Appeals.
Motion by Commissioner Sweeney. Do we have a second?
Second.
Second by Commissioner Angel. Any questions? Roll call.
Mr. Angel?
Yes.
Mr. Hall?
Yes.
Mr. Hertz?
No.
Mr. Pepper?
Yes.
Mr. Scott?
Yes.
Mr. Sweeney?
Yes.
Mrs. Maston?
Yes.
Madam President, roll call reveals 6 yeas, 1 nay.
I don't believe we have an executive session tonight. Do any of the commissioners have any information items? Commissioner Pepper,
Yes, ma'am.
you have any information items for us?
Sunny and 82. That's all.
Commissioner Hertz?
Yeah, I'm good tonight. Thank you.
Any public comment about anything that we've covered this evening?
For our guests joining us online, if you would like to make any public comments about anything covered this evening, please indicate by raising your electronic hand or pressing *3 if you're joining us by phone. I see no hands raised online at this time, Madam President.
Thank you. Any commissioner comments? Commissioner Pepper, any commissioner comments?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
You could tell us how Hawaii is.
Like I said, sunny, nice breeze, 82 degrees, and great place to be.
Yeah, you're right. Commissioner Hertz, any commissioner comments?
No, I'm good tonight. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Seeing we have nothing else, meeting is adjourned.
Thank you.
Thank you both that's on the line. Enjoy.
Thank you.